Many people failed very simple algebraic expression because of a simple mistake. Now, look at what many people will do here. We have 50 divided by 5 all over 2 into 5 plus 5. When right here, many person will start off with this. Now we have 50 divided by 5 all over 2. Then here, because of this parenthesis, we have multiplication 5 plus 5, that gives 10. Now again, they will consider this. 2 divided by 7 and 2 into 10 is 5. Now the expression becomes 50 divided by 5 multiplied by 5. When right here, they consider this multiplication here. 550 divided by 5 times 5, that gives 25. Now 50 divided by 25, that gives 2. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake. To simplify this correctly, we are going to have this 50 divided by 5 all over 2 into 5 plus 5. Here we are going to follow this order of operation PEMDAS. When right here, following this order of operation, first we have parentheses. We are going to consider parentheses. We talked about the bracket here. Now we don't have exponents. We are going to have multiplication because of these parentheses right here. We have division. There's addition in the bracket or in the parentheses. We don't have subtraction right here. Then at this very point, we are going to consider parentheses. That means you are going to simplify the term inside here, and we are going to have this. The expression becomes 50 divided by 5 all over 2. Then multiplication multiplied because of this parentheses right here. And 5 plus 5, that gives us 10. Now, from this order of operation, we are going to consider division here, because here multiplication and division have the same precedence, and the operation right here is from left to right. Therefore, irrespective of the operation, we consider the one that comes first. Then here we have division, and the operation is from left to the right. Therefore, we are going to consider division right here. But at this point, we are going to apply KCF here, which means K, keep, change, and flip. Then at this point, we are going to keep 50. We change the sign to multiplication. When we flip this expression here, that is 5 over 2 becomes 2 all over 5 when multiplied by 10. Now here, 5 will divide by 1 and 5 to 50, that gives us 10. And the expression becomes 10 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10. Now if you multiply this out, we have 10 multiplied by 2, that gives us 20 multiplied by 10. Then lastly, 20 multiplied by 10, that will give us 200. And this is the right answer for this given expression. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next video.